Hi, I'm Elisabeth with Wallace Yarn Creations. Welcome. We have some new shawl and scarf designs I'd like to show you today. There are 4 different patterns and they're all different in size and shape, so hopefully you see something you like and get inspired. The patterns are all available on Ravelry and the yarns are on our website wallaceyarncreations.com. You will find all the names of the patterns and the colors in the comments. First example is a shawl called December Adventure. December Adventure by designer Hilary Latimer. It's a big rectangle. It starts with knitting this triangle in the center, which in my case is blue and green. And then you knit each side separately. And so again, in my case, it starts with the red and then goes to green and to blue, and you do that on both sides with a contrast color in white. Said it's a big shawl. Nice big shape, lovely to wrap up in. The pattern is called December Adventure, and this was a mystery knit along. Mystery knit along means that you don't know in advance how the final shawl will look like. You get the pattern in installments, and they're a lot of fun to do. If you like to try one, you can sign up for our newsletter on our website. I always announce when we start a new one so that you know and you can sign up. The pattern is now released and can be purchased in full. And the name is December Adventure. For the sample I'm showing you, I used a gradient color called Shore. This is how the yarn looks. It has bright red, green, and a turquoise blue, and white as a contrast color. It's a big shawl, so you will need 3 of the gradients. Those are 100 grams skein. You need 300 grams, and 1 of the whites. So 400 grams total. We have kits available in this color as well as several other color combinations on our website. Different choices, several options. So this color is called Shore Medley, which is the color I'm showing you in the shawl. Again, big rectangle. Different stitches, keeps the knitting interesting, and then you have the contrast color. Was a really fun and enjoyable knit. When Hilary designed this shawl, she gave us different yarn options. So the one I'm showing you is the one using gradient yarns. The second option is using a kit consisting of solid colors. A kit like this, different colors, 6 different colors in this case. And that shawl, same pattern, but of course looks totally different. This sample was knitted by my friend Beachy. And in comparison to my version, she blocked hers. And we knit a little differently. I knit much tighter, so the size is a little bit different too. But you can see the same stitches, just it looks totally different because we use different colors. So this is also, the pattern is called December Adventure. And we have kits consisting of 6 solid colors available also online. So this kit consists of different gray shades, green, teal, and red. And it goes with natural as a contrast color. Again, 300 grams total plus 100 grams for the contrast, 400 grams all in all. These are fingering weight yarns, 100% cotton yarns. the pattern is called December Adventure. Yes, we have many kits for the solid colors as well as for the gradient sets online. So take a look. I'm sure you find something you like. Next shawl is called Just Beachy. Love the name. Middle of winter while the ground is frozen and we have snow outside. It's nice to think about the beach. This is called Just Beachy. It's also a rectangle, little asymmetrical shape, designed by Lisa Ross. Takes 2 gradients and a solid contrast color. Colors in this case, these are the 2 gradients. The gradients are called MUSEE. MUSEE has red, sky blue and green. Then we have Sun. Sun Tonal is a tone-in-tone gradient with different yellow and gold shades, and white as a contrast. The gradients are 100 gram skeins. Solid you will need 150 gram. So 350 grams total. And of course we have this color combination as kits available, or of course you can make your own. There are plenty color choices on our website. The pattern is called Just Beachy by Lisa Ross. This one also was knitted by my friend Betty. Beautiful work. Just look at the different stitches. Just love this shawl. So thank you, Betty, for your help and for knitting these beautiful samples. This is Just Beachy, designed by Lisa Ross. Also pretty big. Lovely size. Next design is a little bit smaller. It's a pattern called Hilary by Susan Gressman. This one uses 150 gram skein. It starts on one end with just 6 stitches. You increase, increase, increase until you have reached the width, and then you basically go as long as you like. You can see the color changes here, slowly changing, and then you decrease on the other end. It's a lovely shape, wearable as a scarf or as a shawl. Lovely lace details, just very pretty. The pattern is called Hilary by Susan Gressman, and it takes 150 gram skein. The color we used is called Cardinal. Looks like this. So Cardinal has different gray shades and red. It just takes 1 skein. These are 150 gram skeins, and there are many, many choices online on our website. So this is, the pattern is called Hilary by Susan Gressman. And as I said, you can wear it as a scarf or as a shawl, and it's adaptable in length. If you want to make it longer, make it shorter, it's very easy to do. Last but not least, I'd like to introduce you to Zenia. That's the one I'm wearing. It's a scarf, and as you can see, it stays put like that. It takes 100 gram skein. In our case, we used color Paw Paw. This is how the color looks. And as you probably know, we offer each colorway in 2 directions as versions 1 and 2, which are really the same, just in reverse order. So you would need 1 skein. These are 100 gram skeins. This is color Paw Paw, but any of our 100 gram skeins work. So Paw Paw has a bright, happy yellow, pumpkin orange, and cornflower blue. And this is how it looks knit up. It's a very easy pattern. It's available for free on our blog, on our website, as well as on Ravelry. It's knitted in all garter stitch, so there is no purling, and it's basically, yeah, it's an asymmetrical shape. I guess it's a triangle. I don't know how you want to call this shape. Anyway, you see the buttonholes. You knit them as you go along, and they allow you to wrap the scarf and that it stays put when you wear it. So to wear it, you just gather the buttonholes like this. And then you thread the long end through it. And there you go. You can adjust it as you like it. And I like it because, as I said, it stays where you want it to stay. It's a nice little accessory, easy to knit. It's all garter stitch. The pattern is written, but it contains row by row stitch counts, so it should be easy to follow. It's a free pattern. So thank you to Beachy and to Barb helping me write this pattern. It is on our blog, on our website, as well as on Ravelry. And the pattern is called Zenia. Zenia takes one of our 100-gram skeins, and we use color PAW PAW for the sample. So these were 4 new patterns, knitting ideas. Hopefully you like something speaks to you. All the yarns are on our website. Thank you for watching today, and happy knitting.